Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have an Apple developer account and a recent backup of the device. Once done, sign into Developer. Apple.com and add your device to the account. Make sure to register it's UDID. Next, download the iOS 26 Developer Beta profile directly from the Apple Developer Center and install the configuration profile in Settings. This is the only way to get the developer seed. Follow these steps now to move from prep to installation without delay. You'll install the profile, then reboot and navigate to Settings, General, Software Update to fetch the iOS 26 Developer Beta OTA. Once the update appears, verify Wi-Fi stability and battery level. Connect to power for the full install. If you prefer a clean install, download the correct IPSWA for your device and use Finder or iTunes to restore while holding Option/Shift. This prevents leftover configuration issues. Make sure to enable developer settings and optional diagnostics to gather logs for later debugging or feedback submission. You finish by completing the iOS 26 setup, signing into your Apple ID, and enabling developer features like advanced logging or simulated conditions. Once configured, run your apps and check compatibility. File bugs using Feedback Assistant, include logs and steps to reproduce. If an app or system behaves badly, make sure to consult the release notes and reproduce the issue before reporting. If installation fails or the device is unstable, the key troubleshooting move is to restore from your backup or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.